Well, hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I am an adult doll collector, and you're in my hangout. Today, we are in the flower shop. The reason we're in the flower shop is because I have a few more of these Miniverse Make It Mini Lifestyle Series 1 capsules to open up. Because there are quite a few things I still haven't seen, and I'd like to. So, let's get started. Alright, now with these Make It Mini capsules, they come in this kind of a shape. These have this white part in the middle. You can open it up from either side. Now watch, when I open it up, of course you know what's going to happen? Everything falls down. Yep, that's what happens. Now, one of the cool things about these little capsules are they can be turned into little displays for what you make. Let's see something that we made from a previous one. See, and you have a place to keep it. Pretty cool, huh? And I am still waiting for someone to make a retro TV. I just can't seem to figure out how to do it. But I know there are imaginative people out there. For the time being, though, I still save all these shelves for my own project. When you open these up, like the other Make It Mini series, they come with 3 books with instructions in 3 different languages. So, yep. And they are handy to read. They'll tell you about working with the resin and all that kind of stuff. And it's actually really a rather large paper. The other thing that comes in with this is its list of the different things you can make. So at the top you have the candles. And then you have aquarium kind of, or fish tank or tanky kinds of little pets. And then you have succulents. And on the back, you have the directions on how to make all these various things. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, they all come with a set of tongs, which can definitely come in useful. Now let's see what else this comes with. So in this case, it has Sunshine Candle Company. So we will be making some candles. And inside the box, you'll see that the box is very well put together. And we have a couple of candles. And it looks like, you know, the little mini jars. So they look kind of like little mason jars. And here's the really cool part is look on the inside of the box. They have the little paper in there. So they're packaged like a gift. I love that feature. And yes, I saved these. In fact, I've used these in this little flower gift shop. So, yay! Okay, the next thing that I'm going to open up then is in here. We should have, okay, oh, it's going to be a tray. Oh, that's a pretty tray, huh? Okay. All right. And the tissue paper is even pretty. You glow, be bright. Very pleasant. Now in here should be, I think usually will be the wick and anything else you need to make the candles look nice. In this case we have, yep, the wicks. Yay! And then we have the resin. In this case it's pumpkin. So I'm going to put this pumpkin stuff upside down for a little bit. Now I am going to get the wicks out. Okay, see, and the candle wicks they look pretty authentic, don't they? So let's put this in here. And I'll put the other one in the other thing. All right, let's see if this is ready to come out somewhat easily. Any of you who have worked with this kind of stuff can can probably vouch that it isn't always amenable to coming out easy. Well, let's see if I can do this. Okay, I'm going to leave that at that. I think that's enough in that one. Let's get the other one done. And of course the candles can make very nice decorations or clutter. All right, and the first little thing is done. So these are supposed to be the pumpkin candles. Well, let's see if I can bring them up a little closer so you can see the color. So yeah, it's a light, you know, pumpkin. And heck, for this time of year, that's very appropriate, right? So again, dump it out. Well, I'm seeing green stuff this time, so this tells me it's probably a plant. So let's see. I'm going to open up what's in this paper first. And let's see what it is. Okay, oh, it is. Okay, it's a cactus. All right. Then we can, I'm going to open up, you have this box here. Everything is just so wonderfully packaged. Okay, oh, okay, I've done this one, but I don't mind having a second. So inside the box, there we go. You find this and this. All right, so we've got the plant out, and we've got another box. Yay for boxes! And in here should be whatever we're going to be calling soil. So, what do we have? Okay, so, yep, the plants. Look at that. It comes with a little spade. How cool is that? And then it's coming with this potting mix for Happy Grow. And when you open it up, hang on, I need to cut it so I can open it up. You have soil inside of it. Well, it looks like soil, but it isn't really. But you could put, so I'm going to put some of this soil inside here. And I think I will use this little spade to kind of scoop it in. So as you might have seen, it's a little bit gummy when it's, you know, it's very much like attached to itself. I'm going to put a little bit more in. That looks good, right? Now I'm going to put the succulent inside. Yeah, honestly, I don't know that there's any more room. And I'm going to save the rest of this for maybe another plant. Then I won't have to open up another bag. So, here's this plant. Yay, we have another plant. Okay, and the candles are ready. I'm going to get the plant sitting. See, I got a UV light that I could attach to my light because it did seem appropriate to get the kitchen set out for plants, right? So, but we have these candles now. Makes me very happy. And now, I only got 3 of these, so let's see what's in the last one. And sorry for my nails. I know they look terrible and scary. Yeah. Okay, this is going to be some kind of, well, let's see what it is. So, Okay, so in here I have, okay, so we have some salt water, okay, and then we have, what is this? It's going to be some kind of a aquatic or something kind of pet. So we have this little bowl. I have not had this one yet, so this is going to be a new one. I wonder what it will be. What will it be? And again, the paper, these people, this company is so thorough that the paper actually has information on it. Super cool. I love that about this company. All right, so let's see. What do we have in here? And it's always going to be a fish. Isn't that cool too? Like, look at that, huh? I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm sorry. It just makes me so happy, these little things. Okay, so we're going to have a home for little fish. And then we'll find out what plants go in with this little fish. Because this will probably be plants. Oh, nope, no plants. It'll be the pebbles for inside the tank. And what else? And a little plant, seed plant. Yay! Okay, all right. Okay, well, now these pebbles are also kind of, they'll also stick together kind of like that sand, kind of like the soil did. So let's start with putting some pebbles in. And we'll put them in here. Now, the first time I ever did this, I just put in all the stuff, all the pebbles. But it made it so there wasn't enough room, though, for the water stuff, or the resin water stuff. So I'm trying to kind of push this down. I think I'm going to put the plant in first. Let's put in the plant next here. Let's put the plant in. Thinking like about here, right? Like so? Yeah, okay. And now I just love how the fish is packaged, right? I mean, he looks like he's in one of those bags of water, and you even have the little twist thing on top. I just am in love with this series. I love them. You know, there's creators who love the adorables and stuff like that, and I used to wonder kind of what is the deal with that kind of thing, until I found this, and then it's like, okay, I totally get it. So I am going to try to use the tongs to put the fish in carefully-ish. Come on, fishy, fishy, go in there. Now, and I'm going to put in a few more of the pebbles in the hopes that I can cover the, you know, what the fish's little stand there. Let's see if I can do this right. All right. Now I think we're ready for the resin. Okay, let's see how it will do. See if it will come out nicely for me or not. We shall see. Oops. Yeah, let's get all over the sides. And I do need to make a point of popping all those bubbles. There, okay, all right. All right, let's pop some bubbles. Let me get these a little closer so I can see them. All right, here we go. Let's go pop. I'd ask you if there are any bubbles that I'm missing, but by the time this hits, it will be way too late, and won't it? Okay, I'm going to now get this. Oh, there's a bubble! Get back here, bubble. Whew, okay. Nope. Wow. How did you get so many bubbles? Okay, any more, you little boys? All right. There we go. The plant is all done. Yay. And there we go. However, you saw me. I looked for all the bubbles, and there were still some bubbles that came up. Oh, but that's okay. I'm still satisfied with how this little fish came out. So there. Okay, well, this was just, as you could tell, a very quick video where we got to open up 3 of the Mini-verse Make It Mini lifestyle capsules. And we got to make some pumpkin pineapples. We got to make a fish tank. And we got to make a succulent. And they all set rather well, except for the bubbles. We're going to ignore those. Don't tell on me, okay? Shh, it'll be our secret, all right? So anyway, but thank you very much for stopping by. I do appreciate your time. If you like this video, please hit like. Please hit subscribe if you are not a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, well, I appreciate you very much. You know I love my subscribers. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you know of a way of making sure, because I thought I was absolutely spot on. I thought I'd done everything I was supposed to do to keep from getting bubbles. I was sure I'd popped them all, but as you can see, I got a couple more. I'll bet at least one of you can tell me how to avoid that in the future. So please fill me in. I do take your advice. So yes, definitely comment down below. Talk to me, people. And sharing is caring, so go ahead and share this video with other people, because I know I'm sure there's a lot of people who see these little capsules out and about and wonder what they're about. Well, you can share this with that person, say this is what they're, it's a wonderful thing. So anyway, yeah, go ahead and share. And again, thank you very much. I do appreciate your time. I hope you all have a fabulous night, fabulous morning, fabulous afternoon, whatever time. I do hope it is fabulous. So I am out, and goodbye.